Okay, today I'm making curry goat, and I'm doing it my way. Okay, how I do it. Okay, this is salt, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, red pepper, oregano, black pepper, curry powder. I don't know if I said that already. I did? My daughter said I did. Alright. A little garlic salt. Pimento. Okay? I don't cook as other people do, okay? Alright, I'm putting in some oil. You have to just use your own judgment. You could, for a pound, you could use a quarter cup of oil to get started, okay? And put the oil in. This is a teaspoon, okay? So I'm putting in we love a lot of curry, and this is more like a saffron curry. That's the meat over there. I put it on. Okay. This is a seasoning salt. So about a teaspoonful. I'm putting a little bit of this in it because I have Scotch bonnet pepper that I'm gonna add to it later on in a little bit. Okay. You can use black pepper, but I can't use it in because my husband doesn't care for black pepper. Okay, so this is garlic salt. And about a teaspoonful, okay? Pimento. Okay, they look like black pepper, but they're not. They're pimento. Some people crush them. I'm just gonna put them in there all. Now we're gonna spin them up. Okay. And after all of that goes in, I'm gonna put this is all the meat. I cut up the curry goat, wash it and cut them up into small pieces. That was the salt. I didn't remember to put salt in. I'm gonna have the salt, but the salt is all the way over there as if it's hiding. Alright, here we go. Forget to add the salt. Can't cook without salt now. And we're doing 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Okay. They said this is better salt, so yeah, it's about a teaspoon. Maybe it's too much for this. Use your own discretion with the salt. You must know how much salt you can tolerate. Like that. I'm gonna leave it and let it on the low heat and let it marinate. So I mix it up. Alright, and I'm going to leave it to marinate for a little bit. I'm going to cover it and leave it to marinate. You know, it will just sit there and slowly cook. I'll add the onion to it later on. Okay, but that's it. Okay, I had the onion in, the garlic, a little ginger, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. I cook a little different from every Jamaican. Alright, so I am gonna leave it and let it stay there and stew. I'm not adding any water to it or anything. I'm just gonna let it make its own thing, do its thing. Okay? Alright, that's it for now. Add a little bit more water to it to cover the meat so it can cook, because I am not pressuring it. So I'm gonna leave this now. It already made water from the onion and the seasoning I put in. The salt draw the water out of the meat and everything, and you know, but it wasn't enough, so I had like a half a cup more to it to cover it, so all the meat is covered. So now it's gonna cook down to a nice simmer. Okay, and it will take its time and cook, because sometimes it takes a while to cook. So I'm gonna leave it for a while and let it stay there on low heat until it's done. Okay, this is great if you have the time, if you want to make this, if you have a slow cooker. This is great to put into a slow cooker with all your seasoning, everything. Leave it for a couple hours. When you come back, it's done. Yes, I will recommend the slow cooker. Okay, I'm going to cook some of this breadfruit and see how that is progressing. See, very good. Slow cooking down. I'm gonna cook some of this breadfruit, and over here I have sweet potato and dumpling cooking. Putting some of that in there, some of the breadfruit in there. Alright, so I finish with the meal and I'm gonna serve it up in this plate. It's gonna be banana. This is the food section of it. And these are dumplings. This one is a little bit big. Oh, that's huge. Ooh. This is yellow yam, banana, and breadfruit, sweet potato. You can enjoy your curry mutton with whatever you choose. You know, you can have it with steamed rice, white rice. It's delicious with steamed rice. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to, this is the finished, it is finished and it's very tender. As you can see, I let it cook for about an hour and a half or so. Yeah, and you see, it's good, it's tender. See, very nice and soft, and it's loaded with flavors. Okay, so I'm gonna put some over here myself. I'm sharing it in that because I like the plate. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Alright, so I'm moving it over here now. And as how we used to enjoy this back home, we have it with a glass of a lemonade. Lime, sugar, lime, not lemon, lime, sugar, and water. We usually call it sugar and water. But there's lime there too. We always have lime, see? Delicious. And you know how I end my videos? I usually go eat. Delicious, delicious. I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy that. But that's how I make my curry mutton. Okay, you could say curry goat, or you could say curry mutton, or you could say yes, curry goat or curry mutton. And this is my lemonade: lime, sugar, water, and ice. Delicious. Delicious. Just add enough sugar to taste, then you have your lime or lemon, and you will never go wrong. Okay. And that is what it looks like when it's finished, and it's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video will help you to you know, make Jamaican food, because I cook a little bit different than most Jamaicans. Okay, I have to kind of cook different because my husband can't tolerate a lot of things, and it's delicious meals. Very delicious. Alright, thanks for watching.